Bristan tap is dripping, then you will need to replace the washer. These can be obtained from most plumber merchants. You'll need the following tools: adjustable spanner, screwdriver, Stanley blade. Step 1. Getting started. Isolate the water supply and put the plug in so you don't lose anything. Step 2. Disassemble the tap. Remove the end ice with a Stanley blade, ensuring not to damage it. Then undo the screw underneath. Pull the tap off and undo the shroud. Undo the gland nut with an adjustable spanner and remove the valve. Step 3. Replace the washer. Next, replace the washer on the bottom of the valve. Screw the valve back into the tap body and replace the shroud and head.